This type of content is going crazy viral right now on YouTube. The channel Maiw Milky is creating these kind of shorts. They have over 337,000 subscribers, and they have over 377 million views.
That is just madness.
When we take a look at their social blade, we can see that they make between $80,000 and $1.3 million a month.
Yo, that is just insane.
So you want to know their secrets and how to make the same kind of shorts to go viral and get thousands of dollars a month? Well, you are in luck because, hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create the kind of shorts that Maiw Milky is making. And on top of that, I will reveal to you a trick where you can easily create multiple shorts in a short amount of time. So are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. First of all, we are going to analyze their shorts. Okay, that is enough. I know how they are doing it. They have two images. Both images have the same contents, but they have different styles. They first show the dusty and full of green object, and then they slowly reveal the other image where the object is very colourful and clean. The background music is a cat with an EDM beat, and for some reason there is also a guy in the left corner doing hand signs. Don't ask me why these shorts are getting millions upon millions of views, but I know how to make them, so you can also get those views. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we need to have the image prompts to create an image. You can start like this. First of all, download a short from Maiw Milky. I use 4K video downloader, but you can use any other free to use online YouTube downloader. Now open CapCut and drop the short there. Now go to the last frame and save that frame. But let's first blur this guy right here that is in the left corner. Duplicate the clip and add a blur. Now go to Mask and put it on the guy. Okay, now we are ready to click and press Export Still Frames. Now choose a destination and press Export. Why did we do this? Well, now we are going to ChatGPT. Now upload the image there and ask the following. Please tell me what image prompt they used to create this image. And there we have it, guys. Now we can generate the image. You can use any free image generator like Leonardo AI or even this one, Jine. I am using this just to demonstrate that you can generate amazing images everywhere just because of the perfect image prompt from ChatGPT. Add the prompt and generate it. Be sure to set the aspect ratio to 9:16 to make it vertical. Just look at it. That is amazing. But since I have a Midjourney subscription, I will generate the images here. Look, this is the one we are going to use. Okay, now we've got the colourful and clean image. Now we need the green and dirty looking one. We are going to use the AI tool called OpenArt AI. Go to the website and sign up with your Google account. We could also generate our images here, just look. But we aren't interested in that because we've got our image from Midjourney already. We need to go to Edit. And now upload the image here. And now go to Stylize. Now here on the right, you can choose out of a lot of styles. For example, let's choose the grass style and press Generate. Or this one, Mystic Fantasy. Or the winter style. But if we really want the style from Maiw Milky, we need to do the following. Go back to CapCut, and this time we are interested in saving the first frame. Now go back to OpenArt AI and click here to add the frame as the image style. And now press Generate. Look at that, that is amazing. Let's download them. Now go back to CapCut and drop the two images, the clean one and the dirty one, in the timeline. Drag them so they match the example short that I muted. Now make sure that the clean image, the colourful one, is on top. Now go to Mask and choose Horizontal. Now rotate it and drag it all the way to the right like this. Make sure you are at 0 seconds and then go to the right and set a keyframe, like this. Now go a few frames forward, for example to 1 second, and now rotate the mask. Look, there is a new keyframe now. We can even move it like this. When we play the video, we now get something like this. Let's add some more keyframes. Okay, nice, but I do not like the movement of it. It has to be smoother. No worries, because now we are going to right-click and press Show Keyframe Animation. Now expand the Rotate section. Now click on one keyframe and press Auto Curve. Look at that. Now the line is way smoother. Let's do that also for the other keyframes. And you can even tweak it individually, like this. Okay, that is perfect. Now do a right-click again and press Hide Keyframe Animation. And guys, as you can see in the original short, they have someone standing there in the left corner. So let's do that too. You can video record yourself and adding it to the video, or simply go to Canva and search for a video like this one. Now download it and add it to CapCut. Now go to Remove BG and remove the background. Let's adjust the length and resize it. Perfect. Almost done. Now we need the background music. And guys, we simply can extract the audio from the example short and use it. We are allowed to use copyrighted music in YouTube Shorts. But let's say you want to create that kind of song yourself. Well, no problem. Since I made this Bongo Cat tutorial, I know exactly how to do that. So first, you need to download this cat meowing sound effect. Now search for an MP3 to MP3 converter and convert that cat sounds. Now open FL Studio, an audio editing program. Now add a kick like this. Lower the BPM to 120. And now add the claps. Next up, drag the meow sound in the playlist. Click in the mixer and add Edison. Press record and play the playlist where the meow sound is. And press record again. Now click here and hold it to drag the sound into the playlist. Now you need to add direct wave. Double-click on the new meow sound, and now also open direct wave. Now you need to drag the meow sound into direct wave. Go to sample and drag the end and start, like this. Now do a right-click on direct wave and click on piano roll. Now add a few notes and play it. Do something simple and nice. Now go to the playlist and add the pattern with the notes like this. And on top of that, add the pattern one with the EDM beat. Now make it longer. As a final touch, you could add a reverb to the Maiw sound like this. When you are done, simply export it as an MP3. Now add it to CapCut and adjust the size. If you want, you can opt to add a watermark like this. As a final touch, we are going to add the Vivid 2 and the Center Light filter. When you are done, export your video in 4K. Before I am going to show you the end result, I'm going to reveal to you the trick on how you can easily create more shorts like this in a short amount of time. So export your project and now do a right click on it and duplicate it. Open that project. Okay, now we are going to generate a different type of water slide. Instead of the cat, we will type dog. Let's download this one. Now we go back to OpenArt AI. Upload the dog image there. And now stylize it with the same as before. That is perfect. Now open CapCut and add the image in there like this. Now do a right click on the old images with all the keyframes and press Copy Attributes. Now go to the new one. Like this, do a right click and press Paste Attributes and press Paste. Now you can delete the old images and put the other one right here. And that's it. The video is already done and we can already export it. Okay, I will create one last short for you. Watch me. By the way, thank you Mario and Elise for the video suggestion. Okay, before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create amazing shorts like Maiw Milky and go mega viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.